Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we'll dive right into how to perform customizing task views by project on Asana, your complete 2025 guide. So let's get started. Firstly, log into your Asana account and head over to the project you'd like to customize. It's important to start from here because this is where you'll be making your custom changes. Each project can have its unique view based on your preferences. Now that we're in the project, glance over to the upper right corner and you'll see the View button. Click on it to reveal the drop-down menu. The reason we do this is to access the customization options for our task view. In the drop-down menu, select Customize. This is where the fun begins. This helps us because it's the starting point for tweaking our task view to suit our project's unique needs. Next up, you'll see various options like Fields, Sort, and Filter. Let me explain why this matters. Fields allows you to choose what information you want to be displayed for each task. Sort lets you arrange your tasks in a specific order. Filter, on the other hand, lets you decide which tasks you want to see based on certain criteria. For instance, you can choose to only view tasks assigned to a specific team member or tasks that are due within a certain time frame. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. Asana is using your preferences to create a custom view for your tasks that makes your project management more efficient. Once you've made your selections, don't forget to hit Save View for everyone. This ensures that everyone on your team is on the same page and sees the same data. It's a critical step to maintain consistency across your team's task views. To wrap things up, remember that customizing task views in Asana is all about making your project management more efficient and tailored to your needs. With these simple steps, you can create a more streamlined view that helps you and your team stay on top of tasks effectively. And there we have it. Now you know how to perform customizing task views by project on Asana. Thanks for tuning in, and see you in our next guide.